Welcome back to the Sorry Girls. This is our channel where we DIY, design, create content, get messy, make mistakes, and sometimes surprise our friends. Now I want to let you in on a little secret before my friend and business partner extraordinaire finds out what's going on. Her life partner and father to her son reached out to me about a week ago and said, as you know, Becky is away and I want to surprise her with a new gate at the side of the house. And I was thinking I should film the process and put it on the channel and have Becky react to it. He sent along these sad photos and I agree, Becky, you deserve a gate. That isn't even a gate, it's a piece of wood. Let's not kid ourselves. You need a proper gate for your backyard. So of course I'm like, oh my God, Austin, that's so sweet. When are you getting started? He ended up coming into the office. I set him up with a camera, a microphone, gave him a tripod, and sent him along his way to film the whole process. Cut to a week later, Becky has returned. She's seen the gate, but what she doesn't know is that Austin filmed this whole process. We've been working on putting the video together. I asked him for some additional voiceover. He sent that over, and Becky is about to sit down and watch everything. I texted her and said, hi, I'm gonna send you a link. Can you film yourself reacting to this? Let's see what happened.
Kelsey has asked me to react to something and I don't know what it is. I don't like surprises. So we'll find out together.
Hello fam, my name is Austin. I'm Becky's husband. If you don't know who I am, Becky's out of town right now on a camping trip with Danny.
Austin, are you a YouTuber now?
And I'm home all alone, so I'm gonna surprise her with a brand new gate. As you can see by my shirt, I've already gotten started, so yep. First I went to Home Depot, picked up some concrete, lumber, as well as a gate kit. I made sure to get the lumber in 8-foot pieces as I will be cutting it down.
Oh my goodness. You got the voiceover and everything? Wow, this is very impressive. Do you film this yourself? Really?
I also got a sono tube, which I stole from work. I'll be cutting it in half, and that will hold the concrete and keep the 4x4 in place. I have to remove the temporary gate, which is just a piece of plywood, and get it out of the way.
There wasn't a better way to move that plywood? Just slice it in half. Spray painted on the grass. People are not going to be happy about that. Is that grass safe spray paint? Yeah. Yes, grass safe spray paint.
Okay, I've got that proper tool now. Make it a little bit easier. It's way too hot. It's way too hot. What am I doing?
It's drinking on camera, you crazy.
Is that illegal?
This is very impressive. It's very legitimate. You know, doing the sono tubes and everything.
Mad skill. Okay, I got the sono tubes in. Looks like I bought way too much concrete.
Austin!
What happened?
You bought like 20 bags of concrete.
Okay, it's day 2. Cement's rock hard now. Should be good. I want to make sure the gate is super sturdy, so I am tap-conning it to the wall.
Your voiceover is my favorite part. It's so good.
Okay, so I found these little brackets in Becky's junk drawer, so we're gonna use them.
Tool drawer.
And the only paint I have is header paint, so we're gonna use it. After I measured and cut each piece of lumber, started building the frame of the gate. Okay, so I got it together. A little wobbly though. What do they say? Measure once, cut twice, go back and get more lumber.
Use that saying more than once. Oh, you're such a good YouTuber.
Told you we'd have to get more lumber. I got more lumber. Now, before you go saying, oh, Becky's husband is a dum-dum, he didn't buy enough lumber. No. My original idea was to make a gate this height. It's not that tall. Neither am I. Thought it'd be better to make the gate a little taller so people can't peek over and try to steal my dog or something.
Go protect Danny at all costs. Danny, come here. Come here. Look what Daddy did.
Okay, so here's what the gate looks like now. I then cut the top of each 4x4 on a 45 for aesthetic.
That's impressive. I thought the posts you just bought them like spiky boys.
The Ingenoid?
Yeah.
Then I assembled the gate itself with the gate kit you saw earlier.
So you really didn't get help to film any of this?
Nope.
It's all like so good.
I cut a few more pieces of lumber for the right side of the gate and secured them. Okay, I think that's enough for me today. Whew, it's hot. Becky loves plants, so I wanted to make sure I spruced up this part of the gate, hiding the concrete, planting some grass. Okay, so whoever designed this bracket, I don't know what they were thinking, but like, how are you gonna screw that in? So I drilled my own hole over a little bit, so it's a little more accessible.
So smart.
Okay, take off your blindfold.
Really hot. Oh my goodness. Okay, I had just come back from like a 5-day camping trip in the woods without showering, so I was not prepared to be on camera today. Oh my god! You built that?
Yep.
Whoa!
Why don't you go through it?
It's so good! Whoa! That's so nice! This is so like legit. If you pour concrete and everything?
Yeah. Danny, look at the gate. Go through the gate.
Wow. This is so nice. Wow. I can't believe you did that. Like, you filmed all that. You know, like, I know that you built that, and obviously, like, building it's super impressive, but then you made a video.
My idea.
That's, like, next level.
Can I be in it now?
Yeah, let me interview you a little bit.
Hello, fam.
Okay, so, but hold on. How did you figure out how to film everything? And, like, it's so good.
It's easy. Anyone can do it.
No skill required to do what we do. Did you ask, like, the office for help?
Yep. That's why I asked for Kelsey's phone number.
Oh. See, I thought you just need to borrow a tool from the office. But hold on. Now I feel like you're going to come for my job. Because that's so good. It's like, it's really good.
Can I have a job?
You just got yourself one, I think.
Do I get paid?
I don't know.
Being paid for this?
Gate looks great. It's amazing. Obviously, you're amazing at YouTube now, and
We start my own channel.
Sorry, boys.
Sorry, boy.
Just one with
Yeah.
an I.
Well,
Boy.
boys if you include Danny.
Guys, let Austin know in the comments how he did first YouTube video ever. Have you even been on the main channel before?
Probably.
Probably in something. Well, our wedding obviously is on YouTube, but let him know how he did. I think it was mad impressive for your first time on YouTube, making your video yourself and doing a gate that's sweet. Sweet gate. Love the gate. Love the fact that you did plants too. Very me. Yeah. And I guess we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye!